Hey guys, it is Thursday here in West Virginia, and today we're going to do a Free It Friday video. I know, a little early, but the reason we're doing this is because we have a couple of unboxings to do this weekend, and we're going to do this one just a day early, and we'll do the other one on Friday because the other item should be here today or tomorrow. It is the Hot Wheels 64 Elite LBWK Lamborghini Aventador. So we're going to be cracking one of those on camera for you guys. I ordered, I think, 5 of them. So we'll unbox one and take a look at it and see all the details. And today, coincidentally, I have ordered a few of these. I think actually I have 2 or 3 of them left. This is the LBWK Lamborghini Huracan with the version 1 kit from MiniGT. The Aventador, I don't have anymore. Did have one that I bought the second time around in the Philippines, but the paint was messed up. Those things have a problem with paint rashing if you didn't unbox yours immediately when they were released. I think that's one of the reasons they did the recall on them. But anyways, we have this one, and it'll kind of give us a basis of like who has the best detail, MiniGT or Hot Wheels Elite. Because tomorrow when we do the unboxing on the Elite, we're going to bring this guy back out and just kind of look at details. Even though they're 2 totally different models of Lamborghini, they're done in the same color. They're done with the same body kit from LBWK, the version 1 kit. And same wheels, the Forgiato style wheels and such. So we'll see who does it better with details. But anyways, let's get back to this guy here. This is your MiniGT LB Works Lamborghini Huracan, and it is version 1, meaning the body kit, done in light blue. Top side, you have your collector number, which is 189, and it tells you where to find MiniGT online and on social media. I zoomed in a little bit to kind of keep that blurriness from coming back. So you have MiniGT64 on Facebook, MiniGT64 on Twitter, but on IG it is MiniGT Official. Then on this end cap you have MiniGT 164 done in a blue on a gray background. On the bottom side you have your age recommendations for 14 and older because it is adult collectible, and for little kids it's not intended because of the choking hazard with small parts. On this end cap you have the Lamborghini emblem. The back side you have your hologram licensing from TSM models and from Lamborghini, and then on your UPC code it has LB Works Lamborghini Huracan light blue, LHD left-hand drive. I don't think these were released in right-hand drive, but I may be wrong. This model, if you do want one, I have a couple of them to get rid of. I have 2, I believe, that are sealed, but they do have price tags on the outer plastic cellophane. This was one of those ones with the plastic and had the price tag. As you can see, it doesn't have any imperfections on the box because of the price tag. So, and then this one I may get rid of too. It just depends. But I do have 2 sealed ones to get rid of, and I can do those for $27 each shipped in the States. So that includes your shipping and such for $27 on PayPal, friends and family. So if you want one, comment here, or you can find me on IG under the same name, Ron's Muscle Car Diecast, or you can follow the link for my eBay store if you want to buy it on eBay. It will cost you a little more there, but you have the security with eBay. So anyways, here's your car. And as you can see, it's nicely detailed, has the trademark phrase from Liberty Walk, imagine all the people living life in peace. You have these co-sponsors on your rear flare. Liberty Walk on what I would call like the B or C pillar. Then you have your front fender flares, which are very subtle. They kind of do not protrude that much like the rear ones. And then the mirrors are rubber, as you can see, so they are pretty durable and they're body color matched. The LB Performance banner sticker And then you can see it is left-hand drive. Then looking at the front here, it does have acrylic headlight lenses over, I think it's a tampo to kind of make it look three-dimensional. And you have nice mesh in the air intakes in the front, the Lamborghini emblem on the front header panel. And then going around, you can see the wheels are very nicely detailed too. And I believe those are Forgiatos. Actually, let's zoom in a little bit on this rear flare. Yeah, I wasn't sure if it was Rotom or who it was, but yeah, they look like the Forgiatos, but anyways, who knows? They have Pirelli tires, and then you have the LB Works R there, and Liberty Walk, as I said, up there on the other panel. Then you have the smoked rear engine cover, and a little detail on the engine there, which is nice. Carbon fiber rear wing, red acrylic tail light lenses, and you can see a little bit of clear there too for the backup lens. Actually, I don't think that's a backup lens. I think that's an imperfection in the red acrylic on the edge there. So a little bit of an imperfection on that tail light, but nothing major. Your LB on the license plate, the blue trimmed exhaust tips, detailed rear air diffuser, detailed chassis held down with button head Phillips screws, treaded tires, and it is easily taken apart if you do want to wheel swap it. And the rear screw is under this piece here. The rear diffuser, it just pops off, I believe. So there you have it. That is your LB Works number 189 Mini GT Lamborghini Huracan with the version 1 kit. So we'll be back again tomorrow with the Hot Wheels Elite Adventador, but we'll bring this guy back out and do some comparisons the best we can, because as I said, it's two different models of Lamborghini, but you'll see the better details of Mini GT with like the acrylic lights and such things like that. But then you'll also see probably some better details with Hot Wheels when it comes to like engine detail and movable parts and things like that. So we'll see come tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you again tomorrow.